What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Agik. So here is a 32 ounce everyday canteen bottle, translucent blue color. 32 ounce is around 1 liter. To be precise, it is somewhere between 900 ml and 1 liter, depending on the country you are converting the 32 ounce. This is from the Nalgene. Yeah, I think that's how it's pronounced because the E is silent in English. If it's E is silent, it should be pronounced Nalgene. If not, it should be pronounced Nalgene, but again I know it's pronounced Nalgene. So this is made in USA. I prefer made in USA quality over the made in China quality. Definitely, you know, USA produce much better quality, higher quality. If you are living in USA, then you should buy everything made in USA, support your country. So this one is PBS free. Basically it means that it do not have a harmful toxic plastic chemical. If you buy a disposable bottle, they are made from mostly they have the PBA material inside, but again that are disposable, that are not for refilling. Sometimes I used to refill that. I really like the canteen. Again, you can get in the army green color and the khaki color also, which resemble the World War II water canteen. I mean, it's very comfortable to hold. You can drink with two hands. I mean, I don't know much else to say, to be honest with you. I really like it. I really like it. I mean, that's all I can say. I really like this bottle. I mean, with the bottom of my heart, this is a very beautiful bottle. Let me take the sticker. Okay. Now you see how beautiful it is. Wow. I mean, this company really make okay. Right now, I am using this water bottle for 1 year. Yeah, it's become dirty from the cap because literally I put my water bottle on the side of my backpack. I use this water bottle even in rain. So this water bottle. So every day nearly it rains, so my water bottle becomes wet from outside, but inside the water stay, of course, definitely I can drinkable. So this is around 500 ml, same company, Nalgene. I mean, what the hell my wife gave me today? I think she gave me some kind of sparkling water or maybe some soda, because this is not water. Anyway, I don't know. Yeah, because my wife packed my backpack. So from tomorrow she's going to pack this one. Yeah, I mean, overall it's a very beautiful water bottle. Let me take out this one also. Can we? If this sticker do not come up easily, just put warm water. But I mean, I really like it. It's very easy to pull out. Wow. I mean, overall very beautiful. My opinion, 10 out of 10, literally for around 10 bucks or 12 bucks depending on the time, because Amazon sometimes is 9 bucks, sometimes 15 bucks, sometimes 10 bucks. So within that price margin, absolutely recommended. I don't think so you can find a better water bottle if you're looking for everyday canteen. Again, this one is not made from steel, but at the same time this is very lightweight and translucent. I love the translucent color, especially the blue color. I love it. It reminds me of 90s. So yeah, I'm quite happy. Again, this I bought it from my own hard-earned pocket money. Not pocket money, I'm stupid, my brain is having a fart. My own hard working as a security guard right now in coronavirus, because there's no job. I'm working as a security guard at a dockyard. Yeah, mostly the shipment come from China. Again, just pray for me that I do not catch coronavirus. Subscribe and bye.